If you have high-end social skills, it can kind of take the place of a lack of sales or marketing background. If
Absolutely.
you're able to speak to people and help them feel comfortable and be able to express yourself, you'll do better in business, of course.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have a food lover. Matthew is joining us, which is the host of 50 Takes of Great, and acclaimed by FeedSpot as one of the top food podcasts listening in 2024. So, a fellow podcaster. So, Matthew, tell us, what are the 5 steps that you recommend entrepreneurs to achieve the first million?
Well, I don't know if there are really 5 steps, Harry, and thank you so much for having me on today, but I don't think it comes down to 5 steps. I think really it needs to begin with 2 steps, and that would be persistence and determination. Those 2 steps will get you to the next level, and I really believe that that's an aspect of business that people need to understand.
But if it were okay, persistence and
Determination.
So in determination. So anything else that you think that would be a positive things for people to get what we call a product market fit? So persistence and determination only will do it for entrepreneurs?
Those are the first 2 most important steps, and then social skills comes in number 3, and that's being able to get along with people and be able to introduce and educate and entertain people that you're a part of, whether it's a banker trying to get a loan or whether it's somebody who might be a vendor or someone who might be an employee. So the top 3 steps: persistence, determination, and social skills. Those 3 things will get you down the line.
Social skills are amazing because if at the end of the day, if you have a business, you have to sell your product, you have to sell your service, and it's that social skills that will help you to build your network, or to build the group around you that will buy your product or service, because at the beginning you don't know anyone as an entrepreneur. So with these social skills, we help you to build that network in terms of products and in terms of your clients, because at the beginning you need to go out and find your own clients, right?
That's right. But if you have high-end social skills, it can kind of take the place of a lack of sales or marketing background.
Absolutely.
If you're able to speak to people and help them feel comfortable and be able to express yourself, you'll do better in business, of course.
Absolutely. And also developing the product, right? So why when it comes to develop the product, these social skills are also good, right?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Because you have to listen to your clients in order to develop the product. For out of the 500 entrepreneurs that we have interviewed in this broadcast, nobody started the business with the product exactly how they design it. They make a evaluation. They will listen to the clients until the product was fit for the market, right?
Right, of course, yes.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.